I know y'all on a budget. I know you trying to be a baddie on a budget. What's up, my Lena babe? It's your girl, the only Lena Mariah. If you're new to my channel, welcome back to my channel, my Lena babe. How you guys are doing? Today is Affordable Wig Wednesday. I'm finna add these on my channel every freaking Wednesday, y'all. I will post a new freaking wig for you girls, okay? Baddie, you see this look? I'm finna show y'all how I got this look, you guys. Like, yes, like, y'all let me know if this is a wig or this is my hair. Or is it a half a wig? Y'all comment down below. Cause I know y'all on a budget. I know you trying to be a baddie on a budget. Cause it looks so natural. Like it really look like it can be my hair. Even though I know my hair not this long. But it look like it can be my hair. But what is it? Is it a half a wig? Is it a full wig? Is it a closure? Is it what? What is it? So I'm gonna let y'all know how I got this style. Before we even do that, you guys, click that bell. Know if I'm posting new freaking video. Like this video up, you guys. And lastly, subscribe to the channel. You gotta tell your mama, tell your friend, tell your dog, tell your pig, tell your cow, to whoever to share these videos. And subscribe to the family Lena babes. We lit. Y'all need to come on. Y'all need to come on. So let's get into how I got this look, you guys. Alright, you guys. So this is the hair that I'm wearing. I am wearing IWD. The style and the is IWD 8. The style is, well, the colors are number 2. I want a 1B, but yeah. So this is the hair, you guys. It's beautiful, and it is one of the drawstring ponytails. I haven't seen many reviews on this hair. I think it's new. The lady said it is new, but I don't know for sure how new it is. So I haven't seen any reviews on this other than like 1 or 2. So I was like, why not? Like, why not? So yeah. And y'all excuse the hair, y'all have never seen me look like this before, but I'm finna turn myself into a different person. So you're gonna have to see this before you get to the ooh, okay. So, and it says I have a wig, it fit all sizes, and I can go into a drawstring ponytail. I love this. Like, it tell you all the instructions, all the colors they have, how to do it. And also, you guys, you can heat this hair up to 350 if you want to make any adjustments to it. So let's see what it's about. So I'm taking it out the pack now. Ooh, I'm so upset, you guys. They did not have a color 2. I mean a color 1B. I got a color 2. I'm mad they didn't have a 1B. And you guys, I purchased this from my local hair store. You can get this online at wigstypes.com. That's where I normally get all my wigs from. But I did not want to pay that extra type shipping. It was just cheaper going to the hair store and paying this. Y'all paid $26.99 for this hair, but online it's like $15. So you better take advantage of that $15. But we have the link down below in the description, you guys. So this is what the waves look. Y'all, this is beautiful. I like how the waves look. Like, this is beautiful. Y'all let me know this is beautiful. Y'all comment down below if you like these type of curls, these type of patterns. So you got, and it's half a wig. It do have 3 combs in the front, and it have a comb in the back, also the drawstring as well. So let's install this beautiful half a wig and see how it go. Let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so I did my edges in the back because I could barely see out this mirror that I'm looking in front of. So I went on and just fixed them up. I need this tall mirror ain't doing a good job. I guess it comes so far away from it, it's kind of harder to see out of it. But you guys, I'm basically done. I didn't do much. I had told you I had a little leave out, and I just kind of blended it in. So I made like a cute little style out of it. So let me put my earrings on. You know, you would never know how it look if you don't put the earrings on, okay? Put my little ghetto girl earrings. I don't know why people call these ghetto girl earrings, but they look like some. So I'm gonna put some on. Oh, how you do that? Okay. I feel like this would look 10 times better with the ghetto girl earrings. And this is hard when I'm rushing. Alright, so the ghetto girl earrings are on, you guys. Let me fix you guys up so you can kind of see the look, final look. So this is the look, you guys. Y'all comment down below if you like this look on me. Also, you guys, it literally took me, no lie, 5 minutes to do this style. So you girls, if you're on the go and you just trying to go and you want something simple, get your little half a wig, do your some little edges or whatever. Like, I can't do edges like the best I can do. Do them edges, girl. Put a little leave out, flat iron them up, adjust a little bit, not too much, so it can match the state of the hair, and just go. Like, baby, just go. And I love it. So you guys, y'all should get this half a wig slash ponytail, because you can also put it into a ponytail. I don't really have time to put it in a ponytail, but I didn't wear it for a ponytail. I didn't buy it for a ponytail. I wore it to wear it as a half a wig. But I might try it out as a, I ain't gonna lie, no I'm not. I'm gonna leave it as this. So yes. So you guys, if you like this video, you guys like this video up, you guys, click that bell, know if I'm posting freaking videos, you guys. Also tell your mama, tell your friend, tell your dog to share my video, to get the other Lena babes up in here. Come on, like, subscribe to the channel. Come on, tell them to come on. Like, we lit over here. So you guys, it's been a wrap. I see you guys in this video vlog. Peace.